What is Joomla? Joomla is one of the world's most popular CMS platforms. Since 2006, it has been downloaded more than 30 million times, with a new download every 2.5 seconds. Joomla holds a unique place in the open source community, being the only non-corporate backed community-driven CMS platform in the world. Joomla also implements modern programming standards using object-oriented programming and wrapping things up with a strong MVC design pattern. Let's look at Joomla in plain numbers. Joomla.org has seen fast-paced growth since its beginnings in 2006 and now hosts more than 7.5 million visitors on its websites. The Joomla CMS is one of the most widely translated CMSs, with 64 languages currently supported. Joomla has won numerous awards and has one of the most active open source communities, with its own community magazine featuring over 465 articles published in the last 2 years, and hundreds of thousands of topics, posts and members in its forum. From 2006 to 2011, there were 111 Joomla Day events held in 34 countries on 6 continents. Once you start with Joomla, you can extend it with one or several of the over 9,400 extensions available from the Joomla community at extensions.joomla.org. Seeing how about 2.8% of the entire internet runs Joomla, chances are some of the sites you visit every day are run by this powerful platform. So what are you waiting for? Go to joomla.org for more information and to get started.